Asteroid the size of a yacht to surge past Earth at alarmingly close proximity. Astronomers highlight the notable journey of Asteroid 2024 LJ. In a notable astronomical event, NASA has announced that a colossal asteroid, approximately the size of a 210-foot yacht, is set to pass by Earth at a strikingly close distance. This space rock, named Asteroid 2024 LJ, is expected to zoom past our planet on June 22 at an astonishing speed of 66,584 miles per hour. Proximity and speed make this event significant. The asteroid's passage is particularly significant due to its considerable size and alarmingly close proximity to Earth. At a distance of just 2.1 million miles, astronomers are paying special attention to this celestial visitor. While 2.1 million miles might seem far in everyday terms, it's a relatively close shave in the vast expanse of space, warranting careful observation and analysis. NASA's vigilant monitoring and assurance of safety. Despite the alarmingly close descriptor, NASA assures that Asteroid 2024 LJ poses no immediate threat to our planet. The term is subjective, given the immense scales involved in space distances. However, any sizable object passing near Earth necessitates meticulous monitoring to ensure safety and gather valuable data. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, PDCO, is at the forefront of this monitoring effort. The PDCO is dedicated to locating and tracking potentially hazardous asteroids and comets that come within 30 million miles of Earth's orbit. The speed of Asteroid 2024 LJ, clocking in at over 80 times the speed of sound, approximately 767 miles per hour, further underscores the need for close observation. A unique scientific opportunity. This near-Earth encounter provides scientists with a rare and valuable opportunity to study the asteroid's composition, trajectory, and other characteristics. Such close passes allow researchers to gain a deeper understanding of these celestial bodies, enhancing our knowledge of the solar system's dynamics. Broader context of asteroid activity. This event follows a recent significant collision between giant asteroids in the nearby star system Beta Pictoris. Located just 63 light-years from Earth, Beta Pictoris has intrigued astronomers for years due to its proximity and youthful age. While our solar system is about 4.5 billion years old, Beta Pictoris is a teenage planetary system at just 20 million years old. Thank you for joining us on this exciting update about Asteroid 2024 LJ and its remarkable journey past Earth. We hope you found this information as fascinating as we did. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more incredible celestial events, space news, and in-depth astronomical insights, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to KM Celestial Journey. Don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring you the latest and most intriguing stories from the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.